How to enhance collaboration and productivity in Microsoft Teams during meetings. Microsoft Whiteboard is the solution. Microsoft Whiteboard in Microsoft 365 is a free-form, digital canvas where people, content, and ideas come together. It seamlessly integrates with Microsoft Teams, enabling real-time collaboration during meetings. Whether you're in the same room or working remotely, Whiteboard provides an infinite canvas designed for pen, touch, and keyboard input. Let's explore how to use it effectively. During the meeting, click the Share icon. Scroll down and select Microsoft Whiteboard. Choose between presenting the whiteboard, sole editing rights, or collaborating, everyone can edit. You can insert and annotate images, documents, sticky notes, screenshots, and even web content directly on the board. Additionally, you have the ability to highlight key points, add comments, and emphasize important details. This flexibility encourages creativity and allows you to tailor the board to your specific needs. Furthermore, Whiteboard empowers you to create task lists, project timelines, or sprint boards. By doing so, you can keep everyone aligned and effectively track progress visually. The digital whiteboard provides virtually unlimited space, allowing you to expand your canvas as needed. Boards remain accessible after meetings, enabling revisiting and building upon previous discussions. Microsoft Whiteboard empowers teams to collaborate, visualize ideas, and streamline workflows. Try it out in your next meeting, and watch your team's productivity. For more information, Ctelecoms experts are ready to help you.